Leadership is with these two directions, with two topics. Medyo mabigat. Medyo mabigat siya kasi ano ba yung guidance? Ano ba yung directions? Guidance is, manager ako, automatic kailangan i-guide kita. Ganun ba dapat? Or, manager ako, bigyan kita ng direction. Pero angkop ba sa inyo? Angkop ba yung sasabihin kong direction sa'yo or yung guidance? Pero magkaiba tayo ng attitude. Magtatalo tayo. But yung guidance will I be fit to guide these people, to guide this person sa direction na gusto ko? Guys, although tingin nyo, we're managers, kaya namin handle everything. No. Hindi ganun biro. Please remember, lahat kami, we used to handle your position. Dati rin akong ahente. Dati rin akong nagkaroon ng manager. Dati rin silang technician. Dati rin silang after sales service. We used to do this work na ginagawa nyo. But we enjoy it. And we believe those people who give us guidance and direction.